Today, I'm gonna show you the road to wealth. So guys, what's stopping you from buying your new home today?
I mean, we'd love to. I'm sick of wasting money renting.
We just don't know if we can afford it.
Right here. This is the moment future homeowners discover the truth that no one talks about. What if we can't afford it? What if rates go up? When people think about buying a home, it's emotional first. So what would owning a new home mean for you?
Stability.
Something that's ours.
Security, pride, stability, freedom to paint the walls whatever color you want, even that moody green. Maybe not that green. For a lot of people, it's not the money. It's the fear of making the wrong move. So stop making your landlord rich. It's not only emotional, it's mathematical. When you're paying rent, you're paying 100% expenses. When you own, part of your payment will actually pay towards your equity and appreciation. So essentially you're paying yourself. Every month that you wait, you're still paying someone else's mortgage. So let's actually walk through this. I'm gonna show you something that every renter should see. First, your monthly advantage, the part of your payment that actually becomes yours. Second, wealth growth. Real estate tends to rise over time. Third, smart offsets, things that reduce your true cost, tax advantages, and builder incentives. The difference isn't what you think it is. One path builds nothing, the other path builds you. You're already spending the money. The question is, who is it benefiting? We're not promising you the moon, but we're gonna show you how real wealth is built over time. So depending on your situation, your mortgage interest may be deductible because the average rent in Austin alone is $2,500 a month. So the government will actually incentivize you for owning a new home, giving you roughly about $2,100 back each year. On top of that, they did a study where kids actually perform and do better in school, and marriages also do better. And with builder incentives, it can reduce your upfront costs and even help your monthly payment. So when you add it all up, don't just ask, can I afford to buy it? Ask, can I spend the next 5 years gaining zero wealth? Or to put another way, can I afford not to start?
Wait, we are not paying that much more than rent?
Not when you're looking at the full picture.
And we'd actually be building equity.
From day one.
So we're actually closer than we thought.
A lot closer than people realize. The road to wealth isn't about pressure. It's about clarity. It's about helping show you what is possible and decide when the timing is right.